Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk specially about the 7 days of the week. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Bikwa oko, bikwa oko, bikwa oko, bikwa oko, bikwa use, bikwa use, bikwa use, bikwa use, bikwa ota, bikwa ota, bikwa ota, bikwa ota, bikwa osho, bikwa osho, bikwa osho, bikwa osho, bikwa oku, bikwa oku, bikwa oku, bikwa oku, laposo, 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 laenga, 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 laenga. We are at the end of this short video. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or suggestion, don't forget to put it in the comment section. Bye.